5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
100. 6 right into 6 left over crest, 50. 6 right into long 5 left, don't cut. 100. 6 right over crest, 30. 6 right into clear, 4 right narrows. 50 long 3 left. Into long 6 right. Long 6 left over jump, 50 narrow. And jump and 6 right. And long 4 left narrows. And 6 left split into long 5 right. 50 turn long 3 right over crest. 30 jump 100. Big jump into K4 right. Into long 6 left straight 150. 6 left and crest into jump 50. 5 left over jump, keep in narrows 50. Long 5 right opens over crest into K4 right narrows. Into 6 right over crest 30. 6 left straight 70 split. K4 right 30 3 left. And long crest 50. 4 right dip and 5 left keep in straight 50. K4 left over crest, keep in, into 5 right. And long 5 left, and 6 right, 50. K4 right, and 5 left, into long 6 left over bumps. Into bridge, and 5 right. Into 4 left, straight 70. 5 right, and 6 left, 50, turn long 3 left, split. 70, 6 left over crest and 4 right. Into bump 50. Long 3 right tight and long 3 left opens on the tarmac. 150. Jump 30, K4 left and 5 right 50. Crest and long 5 left and 6 crest 50. 6 right over crest gravel into K long 4 left, keep out. Into 3 right narrows. And 6 left into crest 30. Long 5 left and 5 right. Into 4 left tight and long 6 right over finish. 30 to stop.